Are you tired of boring project presentations that don't grab attention? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to design a creative scrapbook-style project layout in Canva using a ready-made template, and how to print it at home or professionally in just a few simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll have a visually stunning presentation scrapbook that looks like a creative masterpiece, even if you're not a designer. Step 1. Open Canva. First, open the Canva app on your mobile device or go to www.canva.com on your computer. You should now see the home page with a search bar at the top. Pro tip: if you're new to Canva, you can sign up for free in seconds. Step 2. Search for a scrapbook or project presentation. Next, type scrapbook layout or project presentation into the search bar and press enter. You'll now see lots of colorful and creative templates perfect for school projects, personal scrapbooks, or professional portfolios. Pro tip: look for ones with image placeholders, text boxes, and fun design elements. Step 3. Choose a scrapbook template. Click on a template that matches your theme or topic. For example, you might choose a school project scrapbook or creative collage layout. Then click on Customize this template to start editing. You're now inside the Canva editor. We can see 10 pages in this template. If you want, you can increase the number of pages from the plus icon below, or you can select any page and delete it by pressing delete on the keyboard. Or you can also delete it by right-clicking. Step 4. Personalize the layout scrapbook template. Tap on any text box to update the title, add your project description, and include your own content. You can also replace images by clicking on existing ones and uploading your own photos or graphics from the left menu under Uploads. If you want, you can add different elements from the left-hand menu. Or if you want to include any image or infographic in your design, then you just have to search from the left-hand menu. Then, just click on the design or element you like and it will be added to the design. Then, you have to resize it by clicking the mouse. If you want to change the color of any part of this design, then click on that part to select it. Then you will see the option for color changing in the top menu. Clicking there will bring up a color wheel in front of you. From there, you can select the color of your choice, or if you want, you can select your favorite color through different color codes. It is very easy. Pro tip: use bold fonts for section titles and softer fonts for descriptions to make everything visually balanced. If you want to edit the next pages, just click on the text box in the heading and the text box in the description and input your texts. Then your text will be set in the design very quickly. Step 5. Add elements for a scrapbook feel. If you want to add any element to the next pages, you can add elements to other pages in the same way you added elements or anything else from the left-hand menu on the first page. To give it a real scrapbook look, go to Elements and search for things like stickers, paper clips, washi tape, or notebook paper. Drag and drop them into your layout to make it fun and dynamic. This gives your project that handmade creative feel without cutting and gluing anything. Step 6. Review and finalize the layout. Once you've added all your content, take a final look at your design. Make sure everything is aligned and easy to read. Double-check spelling, colors, and layout flow. Pro tip: use Canva's alignment guides to keep everything neat and centered. Step 7. Download and print your design. Click the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose PDF print for best printing quality. You can also check crop marks and bleed if you'll be trimming the edges manually. Option 1. Print at home. Use matte or glossy cardstock for a professional finish. Set your printer to high quality and ensure page size matches your design. Trim with scissors or a paper cutter using crop marks. Option 2. Print professionally. Take the PDF file to a local print shop or upload it to an online service like Canva Print, Staples, or FedEx Office. Canva Print even delivers it right to your door. You've just created a visually stunning scrapbook-style project layout using a Canva template, and now you know how to print it too. Bonus tip: want to present it digitally? Save it as a PDF or slideshow format and share it via email or Google Drive. Try experimenting with different color themes, sticker packs, or even adding animations if you're presenting it on screen. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more simple tech tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. And don't forget to check out my video on how to create a school project poster in Canva linked below. Thanks for watching. Click here to watch another helpful Canva tutorial.